Hi everyone, this is our new Veissman, or Veissman, whatever you want to call it, Plasser Tamper machine, DCC fitted and DCC signed. I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So nice start up there. Directional lights, I'll show it once it's moving the directional lights. Horn. There's the blinker one. And work light. And let's get this baby going. There's a smart bit of kit. If it does stop, it's probably because my track's a bit dirty. But it looks really good running along there. I must admit I am very impressed with it. It's got a nice sound to it as well. So I'll get round there. There you go, cab lights and directional light there. And there we go there as well. So I'll just set the iPad back down again, try and balance it again, and I'll stop it and reverse it. Now the working function for making the mechanism go, you don't need to switch it on and off all the time. So all I've done there is I just more or less stopped the movement, told it to go backwards. But if I put it in forward direction again and push forward, it will automatically start up again. The faster you go with it, if you put it up to what it classes as full work speed, it will only do that once. And that's as fast as it will go like that while function 7 is working. So we'll just bring it back again. As you can see, it is quite quick. So we'll just start shutting everything down, lights and everything. And shut the engine. So as you can see, very nice bit of kit. I'm well impressed with it. I had to come out and play around with it again because it is really cool. I just love it, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. We hope to get more on, and if I tilt back a wee bit, we've got the APTE there. We've had it there for quite a while now. We're going to have to get a video up on that because that is one smart train as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope to get more soon. This Plasser Tamper will be getting weathered, and it will possibly carry Network Rail livery, not sure yet, but it's definitely going to get weathered up because it's too pristine for my layout. So once again, hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll get more up soon. Thank you.